Hello folks. Welcome back to the channel. Are you lazy but like cash? Want to expand your wallet without doing a lot of hard work? Well, that's most of us, I think. In today's video we're talking about just that. Easy ways for lazy peeps to earn extra money. Be sure to stick around to the end of this video as I'll be sharing a super cool way that you don't want to miss. Let's dive right into it. 1. Selling unwanted clothing. Go to your closet or your dresser and find the items you no longer can wear or don't want anymore and sell them for extra cash. It's pretty simple, really. Make sure they are in top-notch shape and are clean. Take good pics of each item from different views and list correct size and measurements. Then you list them for sale on sites like eBay, Poshmark, ThreadUp, etc. And then ship them out when they sell and collect the proceeds from the sale. Do your research and make sure you have great pics, good descriptions, and ship sold items out ASAP. Then repeat. 2. Selling unwanted or used electronics. Do you have an old cell phone lying around? Or an iPad, old VCR or DVD player, an old Game Boy, or vintage radio or speakers? Then sell them. There are tons of things to choose from, and lots of items have become collectible. Make sure they're clean and in working condition. If not, just sell them for parts, make good listings, and get paid when they sell. You can even list them on Facebook Marketplace and do in-person sales if you're comfortable with that. Okay, almost there. If you like this video, please check out our other videos. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and tap the bell to be notified when my new videos come out. Moving on. 3. Selling old or unwanted jewelry. If you have old or unwanted jewelry sitting around, you can sell it for a very handsome profit. And I mean the real stuff, like gold, silver, platinum, diamonds, etc. Precious metals in some cases are reaching all-time highs. Selling them to jewelers, gold buyers, pawn shops, and even private individual buyers can add a lot of cash to your pocket in very little time. 4. Selling used furniture. Selling used furniture is a great way to earn extra cash. You can even make a full-time living if desired. This way may require a little space for storage, but if you have a garage or outbuilding, you should be fine. You can even rent storage space to accommodate your needs. Find highly sought-after used furniture items like couches, chairs, dining sets, etc. Make sure they are clean and in good shape, then resell them for a profit. Can be very lucrative. And you get to meet lots of folks from all walks of life and expand your influence circle quite a bit. And now, time for my favorite way to earn extra cash. 5. Starting a YouTube channel. Easy, right? Well, kinda. Starting a YouTube channel is easy. Go to YouTube, create your account and channel, record videos with your phone, then publish them on YouTube. You can do this in the comfort of your own home, even in your PJs if you wanted to. However, making quality videos that grab and retain your audience's attention is key. This can be challenging at times. Also, once you start it, you must keep producing great videos to continue to grow. But once it's created and those videos are out there, they will be out there for years to come, producing you income. You must gain at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 or more watch time hours in the last 365 days and apply for the YouTube Partner Program to monetize your channel and start earning ad revenue. You can also put affiliate links on your channel and videos to earn more from them. I really hope you enjoyed this video and it helps to inspire you. So get out there and start making some extra dough. So long for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.